Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make a delicious snack recipe, and it is the cheese burst rice balls recipe. And guys, the best part about this recipe is that it utilizes leftover rice. So without any further delay, let's begin with our process. So for this recipe guys, I've taken 1 cup of leftover jeera rice. You can also use some cooked boiled or steamed rice. And now we are going to add 1 small onion which I finely chopped, followed by 3 tablespoons of chopped capsicum. Here I am using green capsicum, you can also use red or yellow, and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic chili paste. Half cup of fresh coriander leaves, which is dhania ke patte, 1 teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, which is coriander cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala. Adding chaat masala really enhances the taste. But if you don't have chaat masala, then you can always replace it by adding some amchur powder, which is dry mango powder. Followed by 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. This is my homemade garam masala and I'll give the link in the description box. Followed by 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is haldi powder. Half teaspoon of chili flakes. 3 tablespoons of besan, which is gram flour, followed by 2 tablespoons of rice flour, which is chawal ka atta. But if you don't have rice flour, then you can replace it by adding corn flour. Salt as per your taste. And now guys, using clean hands, I'm going to mix everything together until it becomes like a dough. We do not need to add any water to this because the cooked rice already has some water content in it. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. And now see guys, our dough is ready, or you can call it stuffing is ready. So here I've taken 1 cube of cheese and have cut it into 8 equal parts. And now I'm going to add a little bit of oil on top of my palms and grease my palms so that nothing sticks on it. And now let's take a small amount of this dough and press it down on top of our palms and make sure that it's not too thin and not too thick. And now let's add that cut up cheese cube on top in the center of that dough, and then let's fold the edges like so, and then roll it between your hands so as to give it a round shape. And we are going to continue doing this with the rest of the dough. And guys, you can make these leftover rice balls without using the cheese as well, because the taste is very good. I'm sure without the cheese also it will taste good. So cheese is not compulsory. But if you have kids in the house and kids love cheese, so I would definitely recommend that do add it. It does add a different texture. And now that we have all our cheese burst rice balls ready, it's time for us to fry them. So I've already kept some oil for heating, and once it's hot, let's add them one by one into the hot oil, and we are going to cook them till the time they are nice and golden brown in color from all sides. Guys, make sure that the flame is on low when you are frying them, otherwise the cheese won't melt and the besan, which is the gram flour, will remain raw. So do keep the flame on medium or on low, and we are going to fry them for the next 1 minute. Do keep stirring in intervals. And see guys, our cheese burst rice balls are looking nice and golden brown in color. So it's time for us to remove them out in a plate covered with a paper towel so that it sucks all that excess oil, and we can serve them while they are hot with some tomato sauce or with some spicy green chutney. And we are simply going to repeat the same process by frying the rest of the balls. And do let me know what you think about this recipe. But before I go, I want to just cut this apart and show you the magic inside our rice balls. Isn't this looking absolutely delicious guys? The steam is coming out and I am getting hungry. I just want to pop this into my mouth. Do make it. Do let me know what you think about this recipe. Do share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.